Let's bounce.
That is lead producer Benade.
Yes, girl. Guys, this place is stunning. Oh my god. Beautiful. Just got me some Victoria's Secret. Now, still in duty free. More shopping, guys. Guys, this Starbucks, a killer. I love. Guys, I'm gonna try the Dubai Starbucks, and to know me is to know how much I love a good carrot cake. So look at this, you guys. Awesomeness.
Producer Benade.
Look at that, yo. 817 calories all in my belly. Guys, so I got my latte, and yo, look, they ask you how many shots you want, and 2 OV, and then they wrote my name, so cute. And look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. She's screaming, Hapra, I'm here for you. Anyway, guys, let's dig in. Let's dig in. Yo. All the way up. It's definitely carrot to you guys. It's just giving. The flavor is not so strong, but it's definitely oishi. Yum. Like the total of the latte and the cake was only 55 dirhams, which is about like 1,700 yen. So, or like one or 15 bucks or something like that. But anyway, I'm in transit and I have like, it's 7:18. My flight is 9:55 to Entebbe. And yeah, I'll be bouncing here in the next 1 hour. So I'll talk to you guys later. Guys, I'm taking this taxi. Yay! Oh. I made it. I made it. Yay!
Streets, yeah.
New traffic lights. Hello, Uganda. Our state house. where the president lives. See the security.
Go with your friend. Oh, your friend, girlfriend, your friend, with your
The new roads in Kampala.
friend.
Matoke. Oh my god. It's the development for me. Kampala traffic. Yes. Kampala. It's the views for me. First meal, banange. Konkalebe ekyenyanja. Bwe batyo bwe tukoze akaceere akalagirwa. Ah. Nnyo. That's on my first boat ride. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hapra. Guys, thank you very much for coming back for another video. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Guys, I'm in Kampala, as you know. Anyways, I'm at the beach right now, so let me show you beach vibes. First, I say hi.
Hello.
Some excitement. Anyway guys, Feza is my friend, but
I know. As you can see,
she's
don't be like this.
Anyway guys, let me show you. I'm at this place called Cars, and look how beautiful. Oh my god. Anyway guys, let me show you around. Guys, look at this. Madam, happy birthday. My food is here. And fish. Yeah. And now people are taking pictures over there. Vibes, only good vibes. If you don't take pictures like this, are you even a real friend? Are you? I'm back there. Mugole.
Diana.
Your cake is here. Hey, Kona. Happy birthday, Diana. Happy birthday, man. How do you feel? No. I'm saying it's your birthday, my dear. That's not the question. How are you feeling?
Excited, exhausted, and thirsty.
Some people. Guys, we're gonna be swimming. My friends are already here. In there somewhere over there. Over there. Yeah. And the pregnant lady that I don't know.
Next day.
Look at the difference between shrimp hair, blow dried hair. Look at that. Just trust the process, y'all. I'll show you the finished look in a few.
Eternity later.
Of my mask. But then as I seen it today. Take off my mask. Guys, I'm done. But then you didn't first remove your mask. Let me see behind. Can you shake hold the hair? Nice. You paid for it. Come on, embrace it. Guys, how do you love my hair? Oh my god. Some people call it. Guys, people are telling me I look like a movie star. Okay. I'm a movie star. Like Diana here. She's a movie star too. But seriously, guys, I love my hair so much. Ooh. By the way, guys, this is like one of the best rated salons in Kampala. So if you're in Kampala, come on, go to Marite. What did you say her name was? Marite, right? Marite, yeah. And Marite salon. She said Shani. Yeah. And this is the salon. Most people know Marite. Anyway, guys, I'll talk to you probably tomorrow. So see ya.
1 hour later.
Guys, some katogo. My dinner is sorted. Dun. Katunkuma for the win. Some fresh beans for the win. Okay, and made by one and the only Rachel.
Next day.
Guys, good morning. It's the next day in Kampala, and today I'm getting my nails done. As you can see, and the beauty of living in this country, someone actually came all the way to do my nails. Where'd you get that in your country? Where? Tell me, okay? So guys, before I close this vlog, I'll show you my finished look, okay? So stay tuned. Guys, done with my nails. Gel. And I have this beautiful view that I wake up to every morning in Kampala. So beautiful. Guys, I'm gonna end this vlog here today. Sorry about my messy face, my look, but it is what it is, okay? Anyway, guys, until next time, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Love you very much, and see you in my next video. Bye.